I'm Ransom Ryder, I'm in the kitchen. I've been making some fantastic dessert, and I cut up too many apples, so I'm gonna need to get these turned into like a stewed apple. I don't wanna make these apple sauce, because I like a chunky apple. I do, but I wanna get these into the pot, and I wanna go ahead and add a few ingredients. Let's get these made into something great. This is some brown sugar. In it goes. And this is granulated sugar. In it goes. My grandmother and grandparents, they always believed in having fruit on the table. This is a little bit of cinnamon. In it goes. Thank you, cinnamon. And then I want to do a little bit of lemon juice. This is going to heighten the flavors and make it so good. I squeezed this fresh just moments ago. And then on my little extra, this is apple schnapps. This is gonna be so good. I'm gonna pop it right in. Little bit of apple schnapps. Now the alcohol is gonna burn out. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. So on top of that, I need just a little tad of water, or you could use apple juice. I'm gonna pop these on the oven. I'm gonna cook these until they start looking tender. There's a little bit of a color change. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do a taste test on these apples that I had left over from an earlier recipe. Don't go anywhere. You're gonna love these chunky style cooked apples. I'll be right back. Ooh, these are smelling so good. They look delicious. They will be delicious. Let's put those back on. They're gonna have to cook for 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll come back. My apples are cooking and I wanna go ahead and do just a rough chop on these pecans. I actually roasted these pecans earlier, and I wanna do a rough chop so that when someone eats the apples, they get a bite of pecan. That is great on those, a nice rough chop. Oh, those smell so good. Roasted pecans, my gosh, they are phenomenal. Now, these are blonde raisins, and they've been soaking in apricot brandy. I just want to do the same thing with them, give them a rough chop, and this will go into my apples, and it will just elevate the flavor. These nuts and these blonde raisins are gonna just give me that little bit extra, because remember, I sweetened the apples. I put a little bit of cinnamon in, and this is gonna be so good, so good. Let's get these back in. My apples are nearing the done point, and we're gonna pop these nuts and these wonderful blonde raisins that have been soaking in that apricot. Ah, so good, so good. I wish you were here. I mean, really, I make all this wonderful food and I can't really eat all of it. I have to end up giving a lot of it away. You come have a meal with me, come have a meal. My apples are done. These are absolutely lovely. Now, I don't want these to turn into applesauce. I want you to be able to look at these and know these were sliced from real apples, genuine slices. And I'm gonna take these up and we're gonna add some extra ingredients. Let me take these over, don't go anywhere. All right, my sliced apples are off the oven, off the heat. And as you can see, they're beautiful. Let's get in these beautiful blonde raisins. Let's give that a stir. Oh, that smells so good. That touch of cinnamon. Now I just want to put in some pecans. And we're going to stir these in. And then I'm going to use the remainder as a garnish. Let me get a serving bowl and we're going to give these a try, because I know they're gonna be delicious. Oh, they smell good. Have they cooled off enough for me to taste them? Now, I'm just gonna give an additional little squirt of lemon. just to heighten those flavors. Maybe a couple more of these pecans on top. Let's come in with a spoon and give these a taste. Now these are still hot. These are right off the oven. And I could still add, a few extras here if I wanted to. A little extra sugar, some type of like a vanilla flavor. Let's give it a try. We might need some vanilla flavor. You never know. The apples, they're not mush. You can still see that they're apple slices. The brown sugar, the pecans, the blonde raisins, the spices, it all comes together. This is delicious. Do not hesitate to make this recipe. Call your friends and let them know. Cook some apples. You're going to love it if you do. I'm Ransom Ryder. I'll see you very soon on my next adventure in the kitchen. Come hang out. I need some friends. So good. Bye.